Hi scholars, I am Nejal Gandhi, pre-primary educator from Countryside International School. Children, do you all know what is tomorrow? What is tomorrow? Now you all will say it is Sunday. Yes, but it's not a normal Sunday. Tomorrow we are going to celebrate Mother's Day. Yes, what we will do, we will make our mother feel very special. Our mothers do so much for us. She cooks for us, she takes care of us when we are not keeping well. She takes us to the doctor, she prepares so many good things for us, right? She takes care of each and everything of us. So, children, today is the day to make our mother feel very special. But how can we do that? You all will say that we are very small. How can we make our mother feel special? Children, for your mother, just a small hug, a small kiss, and just a I love you mom makes a lot of difference. So, children, please express yourself to your mothers. And also, I've come here for one special thing. I've brought something in which you all can give a surprise to your mom. Do you all want to know how? Today we will make Monaco toppings, that is cooking without fire. Yeah, you all are too small, so you all cannot cook anything for your mom. So we will do something which you all can do it very easily. That is Monaco toppings. So children, and we will give a surprise to mama. Shh, don't tell it to mama. And yes, take help of your papa for this, okay? Now let's see how we will do that. Yes, remember again, don't tell it to mama. This is a surprise for her. Okay, so let's start what we will do in this. So children, now let us see what all materials we'll be requiring for making Monaco toppings. We'll be requiring Monaco biscuit, mayonnaise, chaat masala, black pepper powder, tomato ketchup, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, grated cheese, and some save. Children, do remember that do not cut onion or tomato by yourself. Take help of your papa or anybody at home. And also do not grate cheese by yourself. And yes, you can also, if you are having cheese cube, you can also put the slice of the cheese cube if you don't want to grate it. Okay, now let's start with the procedure. So children, first of all, take a bowl and put some onion and tomato in it. Put some chaat masala. And mix it well. Children, today I will be showing you all two different styles of making Monaco toppings. One is with mayonnaise and one is without mayonnaise. Right now we'll be doing without mayonnaise. Our mixture is ready. Now first of all we'll take tomato ketchup and put it on the biscuit. Right now I am just making 3 biscuits of that. After that, take the mixture, vegetables, put the onion and tomato mixture on the ketchup and the biscuit. Now we'll take the cheese. If you all are not having cheese, you all can skip this part. And yes, if you all don't eat onions or you don't like onions, you all can skip that too. And you can also add capsicum if you want to. Put some cheese. As I told earlier that you all can also use cheese cube for that. You all can just slice it and you all can keep it. But for that, you'll have to do it as soon as you put the sauce. You'll have to slice the cheese cube, and you'll have to keep it in that. And after that, you can put the vegetables. Okay. Now we'll put some save on it. Yes. So this is ready. Now I will show you how to make mayonnaise Monaco topping. We will be using the same mixture. Okay. We'll just add mayonnaise in it. Instead of tomato ketchup, if your mama likes Szechuan sauce or Szechuan chutney, you can use that also. Even that tastes very good. Even green chutney you can use. Yes, I've mixed it very well. Now we'll follow the same procedure. That is, we'll put some ketchup on the biscuits. Now we'll take the mixture. Cheese. Yes, it's loaded with so much of cheese. And now the last step, that is, we'll put some save on it. And our Monaco toppings for our mama is ready. Okay, so children, do try this at home. Make your mama feel surprised. She'll really love this surprise. Make this yummy Monaco toppings for her, and she'll really love it. So children, make your mama feel special. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.